Hello guys, today we discuss on the topic of a identifier in a Java. What is an identifier? It is a language fundamental topic of a Java. So first we need to understand what is a identifier. Here I am writing a definition of a identifier. Identifier means identifier in Java means simply a name of a class uh, of class variable method name label name. So in Java the method name, variable name, a class name are simply called as an identifier. When we declare the variable, then we need to mention some name of that variable. Means we will give some name that is called as identifier. Like here I am declaring one class like Java test. This class is a public. Hello control s test.java int x equal to 10 system dot out dot println. Tell me guys, how many identifiers are present in this program? First one is it can be class name. I already said identifier means identifier simply a name in Java program that can be class name, method name, variable name, label name. So see, the class name is a test, second one is the method name is main 1 2 identifiers. After that class name, this is again a class available in the java.lang package. It is a predefined class in Java that is called as a string. Second one is args, it is a variable name. When we want to take arguments from command line, then we use this variable. After that x is how many identifiers we got, 1 2 3 4 and 5. In this program total identifiers are available in 5. Total identifiers in this program is 5. I am to run this program. Command prompt java c test.java compile successfully, Java test run successfully. We got a 10 output, correct? After that we will see there are some rules available in Java to define the identifiers. For example, basic rules are there. Can I use any special symbol like identifier, like int star a equal to 10, or we will print system.out.println star a. So see here guys, is this code compile? Java c test.java. No, we got a compile time error. It is not a statement, correct? So there are certain rules available in Java to define the identifiers. first rule is a rule number. First, we can define identifier from small a to z, capital A to Z. Rule number 2, the only allowed special symbol are dollar and dollar and underscore. Rule number 3, we can't start identifier with digits. Rule number 4, yes, we can give predefined class name or interface name as identifier. Yes, it is a possible in Java. I will comment each and every rule. So first rule is we can define identifier from A to Z, like int Ganesh equal to 54, system dot out dot println Ganesh. Java C test dot Java test. Yes, we got a 54 output, correct. Rule number 1, verify. After that, the only allowed special symbol are dollar or underscore, correct. So I will write any special symbol, any other special symbol like ampersand, percentage. So int percentage are equal to 19, system dot out dot println percentage. Again I compile Java C. Yes, you got a compile time error, not a statement. So percentage is not allowed defining to identifier. So again Control S, again I will run. I will see. Okay. Java C test dot Java test. Yes, you got a 19 output, correct. After that, int underscore 10 int x1 equal to underscore 10, system dot out dot println x1. Java C test dot Java cannot find symbol. We can't start identifier with underscore, correct. sorry, it's my mistake. Identifier. You can use underscore in identifier. Then yes, Java C test.java x1. Yes, Java test, you got 10 output. You will see the dollar symbol. Int dollar equal to 20. System dot out dot println dollar $. See guys. So I forget command to clear screen. So let's check. Clear screen command for cmd. Okay, CL is Java C test.java Java test. So we got a 20 output. So dollar is also allowed. We can't start identifier with the digits. So let's discuss this rule. Name 34 name equal to 30 system dot out dot println 34 name. See guys, I compile this code Java C test.java. So we got a output, not a statement. So we can't start identifier with starting with digits. Okay, it is a rule. Third rule is not recommended, but it is also possible to define a class, predefined class name or interface name as a identifier. So we'll discuss int string equal to 45 system dot out dot println string Java C test.java. Okay, I did not comment our statement. Sorry, it's my mistake. Java C test.java Java test. We got 45 output. Correct. Means it is also possible in Java to take a predefined class name or interface name. So another example for interface, predefined interface, like int runnable 56 number equal to 56 system dot out dot println runnable. So we will see this is also possible. Java C test dot Java test. Yes, 56, we got 56. This all rule are satisfied in Java. Correct. So this example I will send to you as soon as possible. After that we will see the another yes, I completed each and every topic. This is all about identifiers in a Java. So in next lecture we will discuss another topic like a data type or literal. So I think we should start literal in next lecture. Bye bye everyone. Keep learning and keep growing.